How to unlock notes on iPhone if forgotten. Let's get started with the video. First thing first, head over to your application Notes. Once you're in this page, move into the locked notes. Click on it and tap on View Note. It will scan your Face ID and open up the notes. But for you, if you go back and if the Face ID is not working and you don't even remember the passcode, then what you need to do is you have to go back and head over to the settings of a device. Inside settings, you need to scroll down and simply move into Face ID and passcode. First of all, enter the passcode of a device or scan your Face ID. Once done, scroll down and click on Change Passcode. Enter your current passcode. Now enter the new passcode. You can also choose the passcode options. Once you enter the new passcode, tap on Done. Once the passcode has been changed, you can move into the note and unlock your notes. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.